Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get salon nails at home. This is a lazy girl's guide because it is pretty quick to do these. It's also very cost efficient. Of course they're not going to look perfect, but the goal is to have something that is presentable, that works for everybody that is lazy just like I am. So if you want to learn how to do salon nails at home, just keep watching this video. I'm going to show you all of the exact steps and what you need. Okay, so I am starting with clean nails. They're clean for the most part. I've filed them, so they're as clean as they're gonna get. I also clipped them as well. So I'm just gonna take some acetone. I'm gonna put that on a cotton ball. And I'm gonna clean each nail. Alright, so now that my nails are all clean, I am going to apply these nails. They're by Nails to Go from Sally's. And I'm going to be using the almond shape. So this actually comes with 120 nails. So that's good for 12 manicures basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to size each nail. I kind of already know what I am because I have used these before. But I'm just going to take the time to figure out exactly which one fits each nail, and you're going to want to make sure that it's on the cuticle, but you want to make sure that it's comfy as well, because if it's not comfy then you're not going to enjoy it. Now that I have the size of my nails picked out, I'm going to be using this Wonder Bond glue. This is also from Sally's, and this is supposed to be used on full-length nails. Usually they just make glue for the tips if you're doing acrylics or anything like that. But with these, you're going to want to get the Wonder Bond because it is for the full-length nail and it is stronger. So I'm going to start on my thumb. I'm just going to do a layer. I'm going to press that nail down. I'm going to hold it there for about 20 seconds. Okay, so I have this nail done, and now I'm going to go and do the same thing on the other nails. Okay, so I like the length of these nails, but they can be a little sharp whenever they're cut out when they're manufactured. So I'm just going to take a nail file and just soften that edge a little bit. That way it's not as harsh. You don't want to scratch anyone. So I'm getting ready to start with the first part of the gel. I'm going to use this 2-in-1 dehydrator and cleansing wipe just to prep the nails. You definitely want to do this anytime you're using gel. But you can also get this at Sally's. Perfect. So then I'm going to start with this gelish mini, and this is the foundation piece. So this is the first part before you do gels. You're going to use this whether you use your natural nail or a fake nail. I got this at Sally's as well, as is my lamp that I use, the LED lamp, and also any of my other colors. Anything I'm gonna be using today, I got at Sally's. So I'm just gonna apply a thin layer onto each nail. Okay, so now that my nails are painted, I'm gonna put them in the lamp. This lamp takes about 45 seconds. It does auto turn off. And I always do my thumb and then these 4 fingers just because it can kind of get messy trying to put all of them in here at once since it's not a big lamp. They do make bigger ones, but I decided to go with the more low cost option. So that's why I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so now that the foundation is done, I'm gonna be using the gelish colors. This one is in the shade From Rodeo to Rodeo Drive. And then for my accent nail, I'm gonna be using Girls Night Out. It's a glitter. I'm gonna do the accent nail on my ring finger and just the mauve color on my other fingers. And the process is gonna be the same. You're going to do a thin layer on each nail and then put it back in the lamp, just as you did with the foundation. Okay, so now that I have applied the first coat, I'm gonna go back in with the second coat, and I might even go in with a third coat. It just depends on how opaque the color is once I let it go through the light for a second time. Now I'm gonna go in with the Gelish Mini, top it off. This is a glossy top coat. They actually make a matte top coat that is really pretty, but since I have a glitter nail, I don't want everything to be matte. So you're just gonna apply this like you've done all of the other layers, and then you're also gonna put it in the light for the 45 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to take a clean cotton ball and I'm going to take the dehydrator and cleanser again, and I'm going to clean off each nail. So as you can see, there's just a little bit on the cotton ball. These nails are completely dry. They're ready to go. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my right hand, and then I'll be back to show y'all the final look. Thank you again for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I'll talk to y'all later.